Alright, hey and welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. This video is my Killstar haul and why I will not buy from them again. I was not happy at all. But before I get to the item that's making me say that and the reason why, I'll just go ahead and show you the other items that I was happy with. So the first one is this wrist wrap that I'm wearing. And if you don't know me, you might wonder why I sound a little funny. I don't know if I'm fully recovered yet or not, it's too soon to know. But I have gone through treatment for cancer. It required a major surgery. And they took skin and blood vessels and stuff from my arm to do some repair work in my mouth. So I have a huge scar that I cover here. And I'm always wearing some sort of cuff or wrap on there, and so when I saw that, I bought it. I like it. It's almost too snug. I have to put it on the farthest snap there, but I've been wearing it for a few hours now. It's not moving and shifting. I like it, so I'm happy with that purchase. Another purchase is this shirt that I'm wearing. Let me see if I can show you. But I have to say something. I've got two shirts. I ordered them from the men's section, and they're extra larges. And I did buy from the US site, but I still think their sizes are way too small from what is normal. Because I bought an extra large men's, and it should be swallowing me. And I'm afraid that when I wash it, because this is without having washed it at all, I'm afraid that when I wash it, it's going to be too tight for me to wear. Normal is an illusion. And what is normal to the spider is chaos to the fly. And I feel like it just barely fits, like, normally right now. And so I'm really worried that after it's been through the wash, it's not going to fit very well. So that's my problem with their shirts. And this is the other shirt. The eyes are useless when the mind is blind. I love the artwork on that. And I got this hat. Little moon. Alright, so I haven't tried it on yet. We'll see what it looks like. Oh, by the way, these earrings, I ordered off of Amazon from a company called Alchemy England. And they actually were sold singly, so I had to purchase two of them to get a pair. But I thought they went well with this, so I wore them today. I have quite a few other pieces of jewelry from that company that I will show off in a video soon. But this is the reason why I will not be shopping from Killstar anymore. I ordered these shoes. And I ordered in my size, which is size 9, US 9, and nowhere on them do they have the size at all, on the outside, or the inside, or even on the box. Oh, I do like that though. Of course, they stole that line from The Craft movie, The Craft, alright. But nowhere on here does it say the size, and so I suspect that they sent me the wrong size, because this should fit me very snug, and sometimes I actually have the problem of shoes fitting a little too tight, and so sometimes I even need to size up to a 9.5. I bought a 9, and it swallows me, and so since the size is not written on here at all, I have no proof that they didn't send me the right size. But that's not even the worst part. They sent me a broken shoe. Look at that. So that's how they sent it to me. This is the cheapest piece of crap. And for them to sell it for like $36, I think, this is absolutely ridiculous. And I've sent them an email. I don't know what they've said yet because I haven't gotten a response. But on their site, they have this ridiculous return policy that says they might not accept the return if it's not in perfect condition, and they don't care if you still have the receipts and, you know, all the original packaging or anything. If they determine that it's not in perfect condition to where they can resell it, then they can choose to refuse to honor the refund or the replacement. And, I mean, this is not in perfect condition. Obviously, it's the way I got it from them, straight out of the box. But based on their, you know, terms of service or whatever, my understanding is that they can refuse to honor a refund or a replacement. And not only that, I have to pay money to ship it back to them. And I'm not sure if I have to pay for the shipping to get a replacement or not. But I mean, that's just ridiculous. That's me losing money on the chance that they might honor a replacement or a refund, and I don't want anything more from them after seeing this. I mean, some of their products have been okay, and if it wasn't for this, I might would try another order from them, but I'm not going to. This is ridiculous. And so, I mean, I'll stuff the toes and I'll glue the sole down and try to get some wear out of them because that's all I can do. So, I mean, this is ridiculous, and for them to send out this quality in the first place, they should be ashamed of themselves and should offer a refund and let me keep the product, I guess, or if they want it back, fine, but pay to ship it back and then send me something free as an apology for being this sorry. I mean, I'm just saying. This is an insult. But, now that I've said that, I mean, I don't want to waste my money. Like, I worked hard for it, and I don't have money to just throw away. And so when I order something, I want it to be worth what I paid for, and to be of a decent quality, and to be something that I can get some wear out of, some use out of, and this is certainly not that. So, I'm just not happy at all with, I'm not happy at all with receiving this. So there you go, that is my Killstar review, the first and only haul I will be getting from them. Thanks for watching.